Hey everyone, it's Tom here, and today we're going to quickly show you how to find and utilize some important documentation on our E128 and EMP electric injectors. So what we're going to need to do is go to our dilutionsolutions.com website. From the homepage, we can either search for the pump we're looking for, or we can click the Browse Our Products tab. Now from this page, we're going to want to find the pump we're looking for. We're going to go ahead and utilize the E128 in this particular example. Once we've clicked it, it's going to load the unit page. Now from this unit page, we'll notice a couple quick tabs at the top. If you click on videos, it's going to scroll us down to a video section. Now all of these videos are also available on our YouTube page, and they have extremely helpful information such as setting up and installing your pump, how to properly set your pump and know what we're injecting, as well as troubleshooting tips for things such as alarms or lights are going off, or your pump is clicking but not injecting, or it's not injecting but it is clicking. We also have support documents. These are going to be PDF, downloadable and printable versions of all of our technical documents, and we have this available for, again, the E128 and EMP pumps. If at any time you have a question that you can't answer from here, you're always welcome to give us a call with our number found in the top left corner, or shoot us a message directly online. As always, this has been Tom, and thanks for watching.